Sun Blossoms by Nirodbaran. Skybirds. Under the shadow of a giant tree, voices of skybirds are heard, sun-white souls of a gold infinity, to a lustrous music stirred. With a flaming beauty they are draped, and with starry wings of death, by some miracle hand they are shaped, dewdrops of heaven's pearled breath. Upon rocks of drowsy height their seat, they with earth's lone spirit commune, pouring from their hearts luminous rhythm beat, songs of a magic-hearted moon. Birds of vision, fraught with heavenly treasure, brimming with the diamond peace, fill our yearning vastness with the measure of your unhorizoned seas.